genuinely visit DK Textile, because DK Textile will give you the rates which are non-compatible with the market. Look, and the range start from rupees 500 only. Yeah, you have heard it right. The another variety, this is also in the neck work, and you can see there are in every bundle you can see a different design, different combo, different pattern. You also want to grow your business or start the business, then connect with the DK Textile. We are the leading and the biggest manufacturer of this kind of variety. Look at. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. I am your friend Sugandh, and one more time DK Textile has launched a very new variety as wedding festivals are ahead, summer seasons are ahead. So DK Textile launch variety which will be suitable in both season, summer collection also and wedding festival also. Look at this variety. These are multiple varieties in different fabric and different patterns. I will show you what kind of variety is this. So these are the heavy party wear fancy three pieces sets varieties. Look at this beautiful design, and you can see the signing of this variety. This is based on silk. Yes my friend, this is based on the silk variety, and you can see that how beautiful the neck designs was, and you will get both side inner of the cotton. You will get both side cotton inner, and look at the size of the inner. You will get both side full length inner, and this is just the sample variety. We have 500 plus this kind of variety, and the range start from rupees 500 only. Yeah, you have heard it right. Our party wear range start from 500 and cotton wear range start from 150 only. So if you want to start your business, or you are a boutique owner, or you are a shop owner, you are looking for the wholesaler, then DK Textile will be the best place for you. Look at the variety. Look at the dupatta, because if the pieces are fancy, then dupatta should also be fancy. Look at the proper 2.5 plus meters digital work with this kind of, look at this golden sequence work and beautiful lining of the sequence you can see here, and these are the thread work. So this kind of beautiful three pieces are available starting from rupees 399, 499, like that. The ranges will go above. And look at the another variety. This is also in the neck work, and you can see there are in every bundle you can see a different design, different combo, different pattern, because DK Textile never repeat the fashion, because in the fashion industry you have to regularly update new variety, so your customer also get updated variety as soon as they will launch the new one. So look at the one more variety. This is also a very unique pattern. You can see the neck design. This is very interesting pattern. These are the most trending pattern right now. Our range are very genuine, so minimum order is 10,000. You can visit Surat also. Our shop is located in Surat. Address will be given on the description. You can visit. Number is also given. You can contact our salesman. They will guide you, help you. You can order from your home also. Our minimum order is 10,000, in which COD facilities are also available, courier facility, transport facility, multiple kind of video call facilities are available. So whenever you want to purchase a multiple variety, regular wear, short top, coat set, two pieces, three pieces, genuinely visit DK Textile, because DK Textile will give you the rates which are non-compatible with the market. Look at the one more design in this. You can see, yeah, everyone will give you this kind of short work, but DK Textile have launched this kind of regular bigger sizes work. Like you can see the design will be very much bigger as compared to the regular market. In the bottom also you can see there are the designs, and the length is original 44 plus length you will get in this variety. Not only this, we have the chikankari plus work also. You can see the design of this. In the patch work you will see there is the chikankari thread, and in the side you will get the stone work. This is also a party fancy wear collection. So you also want to share this kind of collection in your counter, then visit DK Textile or purchase with DK Textile from the video call facilities, from the WhatsApp catalog. We have community also, where you will get regular update on this kind of variety. Not only this, we have cotton three pieces also, which range start from 250 only. So you want to start your business, then join with DK Textile, so you will get the best variety in best and the cheapest rate. And don't call for retail, because we generally don't give retail pieces. We have our channel in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Telugu. All the links are in the description, so you can visit that channel also if you are comfortable in Telugu or Hindi. And look at this variety. And look at the dupatta, how premium it feels. When the customer will take this kind of variety, they will become your regular customer. So you also want to grow your business or start the business, then connect with the DK Textile. We are the leading and the biggest manufacturer of this kind of variety. Look at the design. As you can see, these are just sample. We have 500 plus like these designs. These are just the sample. So you want to see more variety, then contact our salesman, contact on the number given below, video call them and get the regular updates on many more variety. See you in one more video. Till that, subscribe our channel, and if you are watching on Insta, then follow our ID, so you will get regular update on many more ID. And in video you can see some varieties, but on video call you can see large range of varieties. So do video call, do call and take guidance on how to do business of this kind of kurti and 2 pieces, 3 pieces coat set. See you in another video with one more variety. Till that, thank you.